the memories and a blast from the past. Black and white photographs of a life well lived. All those moments captured, meant to forever last. I sit here reminiscing about days gone by. Pictures hanging on the wall, oh, they tell a tale of love that never fades, and moments we can't derail. Oh, the laughter and the tears, they shine through every frame. Pictures hanging on the wall, a life I can't reclaim. Pictures